Damn, this just in. Dumbass transfer truck still don't goddamn get it. That's some shit.
Let them learn on their own, fucker.
Too goddamn bad. This damn that street light right there ain't gonna damn show the side of that trailer right now. Cause I swear to God, these companies actually just sit here and see how stupid these motherfuckers are.
PTL. Pascal Truck Line. I can't help it.
Stupid motherfuckers, man. They know this is a dead end road. They know it.
He ain't got no refrigerator. It's just box.
Yeah. They about to be glad he ain't got no goddamn refrigerator unit. Cause if so, he'd be fucked. Dumbasses. Big beasts come out of no goddamn where. Well, motherfucker need to learn how to drive a goddamn Freightliner. Shit. It's fucking funny, really. Oh, hell. Oh, hell. Here it go again. This too goddamn funny. Just too goddamn funny.
Somebody told me it was a little crossover. About how far behind me?
You gonna pass that one road right over here that's gonna go back to Raleigh Road, and then it's gonna be up there. The second one up on the right hand side behind you. They're right there.
Second road on the right hand side.
Yeah, all that right there, that whole road right there by the BP store, that right there is where you cross over at the tracks.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Just don't know, dog. You need to go out there and show that motherfucker how to drive. Cause he backed up to probably about right in there. First go down around, then he right there, and came back up here, stopped, cut the damn truck off. As somebody down that way told me it was crossing back up here. I'm like, yeah, no shit, you got about 2 cuts back. So how far is it back up? Well, you got the one road go back to Raleigh Road up there on your right hand side behind you, the first one. Then the second one, you got the whole damn line right there at BP store damn crossing. Fucking moron. That puts damn hard reputation on all the fucking truck drivers. Just say they about goddamn dumb as hell.